Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. So today's my vlog is how we going to change our long shaft couplings. Mine is torn out. So this is Suzuki Carry 1.0 or even ST90. The step are the same. So some other countries they rebash it as Bedford Rascals, and then Maruti, Omni, D.I.Y, and many others more. So we just need to have, it depends on your carry or Bedford Rascal or anything, but mine comes with the screw and the nut is size is 12 and 13. So depends, some of yours are 12 and 14, but it depends on your cars. So the step is very easy. We just going to open up the four screw at your long shaft. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, Shuhur. Don't forget to subscribe my channel or like this video, or you can share this video if you think this video will benefit others. So today's my vlog is about my Suzuki Carry 1.0, but some other countries they imported and they rebash it as Bedford Rascals, Suzuki Omni, Suzuki Maruti, and then D.I.Y, that, and there's many other brands that they rebash this Suzuki Carry. So today's vlog is about this coupling. So as you can see, this coupling we need to change because it's already faulty. Okay, you can see it. Okay, I will turn the camera. Okay, as you can see, the coupling is torn out, so we need to change the coupling. So it's very easy step that we need to have. It depends on your car or your Bedford Rascal. You have the nuts and the screw size. Mine is 13 and 12. So depends on you guys. Either it comes with 12 and 14 or 12 and 13. It depends. You need to check. So we need just open up 4 screw. Below 2 screw, and then above 2 screw. So the up here, oh sorry, the above there is 1 and 2, and then 1 2, and then we pull it out. Okay, so in this side there is no screw, so there is no screw down here, so we just can pull it out. It's like just plug in male and female socket. All right, we're gonna start. Okay guys, so 4 screws and that we have taken out. 4 screw we have taken out, and then now we just lock it in here, make sure we will not fall down. Okay, now everything, the 4 screw we have pulled out like this. Okay, we have pulled out the 4 screw that attach to the axles. Okay, you can see it's just like a socket. We pull it out. Okay, done. Okay guys, as you can see, we have pulled out our long shaft, and then there is an oil seal here. For me, I just changed this oil seal past few months, around I think 2 months ago. So I don't need to change the oil seal. And then you guys can check my other playlist videos, or you can click cards above how to change this oil seal, and then directly click up here, or you can check my description below. I will attach the links how to change this oil seal for the Bedford Rascals. Alright,
lagi. Buat sikit lagi. Ini tak cukup berat. Makan dulu. Dah makan? Tapi jahat dia. Lagi jahat. Dia pusing.
Kamera ni. Pakai klip mana?
Ada lagi?
Ada.
Ada?
Tak ada. Dia penuh. Ada? Ada. Takut tak boleh pakai. Takut dia terbenipis. Takut tangan. Boleh pakai. Boleh. Tapi esok nak buka mana senang ni? Ini paling senang. Paling senang. Tongki je. Oh.
Go. Kata itu lah. Yang tadi tu. Kata enam.
Dia tak kena makan lagi dengan GL 4G15. Ngam, masuk. Masuk lah. Oh, baru dah fit.
Benda ni kena ketat. Main. Tahan lah. Ini ada dekat. Tak apa benda ada ke tak apa. Ni kena kat Pakistan pakai balik ni. Memang ni. Recon ya? Recon semua benda recon. Tangki paling aku respect rebag body lori tu, chassis tu. Foto rebag gila. Rebag tu masuk boleh rebag ada layar ni. Macam ori kata. Style semua benda ni. Recon tak boleh lawan dia orang lah. Tengok yang dia recon bateri lah. Yang dia recon tu alternator tu. Dia sebab teknologi dia tak tinggi. Kalau teknologi tinggi dapat kat dia orang. Dia okey lah. Dunia ni kemahiran dia. Tapi balik kan. Boleh lembut lah cepat faham lagi D.I.Y semua. Alternator recon bah. Recon main-main lah. Elok lah. Recon semua pun tu. Recon ni macam apa semua tu. Bukan apa kita kita masuk. Macam view. Lepas tu ni apa? Tukar kabel berai. Oh cerita 60 ragok aku kena punya tu. Kabel berai aku tak tukar aku ni. Pakai balik ke? Tak ada, tak bagi dia. Dia bagi fit dia. Takut. Kalau hang tak turun dia, nanti takut bearing dia tercabut dia terus. Sini apa ini sikit. Ini kalau pakai klem pun boleh tengok. Ni kena disco dengan hijau ni. Masih apa ni? Tak apalah. Yang luar hijau tu. Ini aku tulis lah dalam YouTube. Recon coupling. By the good. Tapi tengok Pakistan punya recon alik tu. Boleh tengok sampai habis tu. Kecil. Kucing banyak. Boring tu duduk rumah. Oh, ni makan. Makan. Belah sini lah. Kapok ni. Ketuk-ketuk tak masuk. Apa dia boleh kau macam apa? Kau tak tahu. Ni makan tu. Putih hijau tadi ke? Makan tepuk ke? Makan tu boleh tak tolak gitu. Mak tu. Tapi tak ada apa lah. Mungkin dulu ada jam coupling kot. Dia jam dia pusing. Tak apa dah kepala ni pada lagi. Yang lama kan. Aku yang patah kat sini. Okey tak? Itu jam. Mana ada jam? Dia kalau jam ketat tak boleh bunyi pun. Kalau ni boleh lah 150 kilo. Sekejap.
Okay guys, this is my Suzuki Carry coupling. So same as Bedford Rascal, Suzuki Omni, Maruti, D.I.Y and many others. So the coupling, we just have changed the coupling. So this is my cat sawit. The name sawit is palm oil. Okay, so it fit nicely. Also this one, this side, this one is attached to the gearbox. So this one we're gonna attach to the axle, right? So we just attach 4 screw there, 1 2 3 4, right? So we're going to attach it to the gearbox and axle. Okay guys, so see, so this is the female socket from the coupling, and this is the male socket. So we just slot it in nicely, fit. Done, right? Okay guys, it fit in nicely. So we attach the long shaft to the gearbox. So now I'm going to show you how to attach at the axle. Okay. Okay guys, so now we just pull it out, and then we're gonna pull it a bit to attach the axle. Okay. Okay, now we just slot in the screw. Okay, so it fit it nicely. So now we can move our Suzuki Carry now, right?